SkillsUSA chapter officer teams include individuals from a variety of cultures, ethnicities, religions, and backgrounds, all of which play a part in shaping personal values. That's why it's important to identify team values that unify and guide the entire team. Values are deeply held beliefs that drive our behaviors and decisions. When we decide what our team's values are, we commit ourselves to upholding them and influencing chapter members to do the same. As a SkillsUSA chapter officer team, work to establish values that are consistent with the core values of the organization. Start by understanding the mission and values of SkillsUSA. SkillsUSA's mission is to empower its members to become world-class workers, leaders, and responsible American citizens. SkillsUSA improves the quality of the nation's future skilled workforce through the development of framework skills that include personal, workplace, and technical skills grounded in academics. The mission is built upon 5 values all members and partners are asked to uphold: integrity, respect, responsibility, citizenship, service. Let's explore 4 steps to identify your chapter officer team values. Step 1. Work individually to identify your own personal values. What's important to you? Step 2. Work as a team to share personal values and connect them to what's important for the team. How do your personal values show up on the team? For example, you could identify personal responsibility as a personal value, and as a result, you may expect accountability in your team. Each team member should share and correlate their personal values. Step 3. Consolidate and define team values. Do this by taking all of the values that were shared by team members and identify values that are similar. As a team, work to narrow the list down to 10 or fewer values. Be specific about what each value means to your team and how it shows up. For example, if you value collaboration, you may determine that it looks like using a virtual platform to share ideas and documents, and also seeking new ideas and ways to accomplish goals. Additionally, define how the value will show up in your chapter too. Step 4. Share your values with your chapter and keep them visible for yourself. Consider hanging these values in your SkillsUSA meeting room to remind you to continue to implement these values in your chapter officer team and in your chapter. Now it's time to start determining your SkillsUSA chapter officer team's values.